The September 2022 full harvest moon is rising on September 10th. This lunar time gets its name because it matches the harvest season across the northern hemisphere. During this time of diminishing daylight hours, the full moon was a wonderful ally before farmers had the illumination of tractor lights. This harvest moon is also a full moon in Pisces, which offers us deep healing where we need it. The theme for a moon in Pisces and sun in Virgo season is healing, forgiveness, completion, and release. This week's energies call for some meditation, swimming, listening to music, and a comforting visit or phone call to a friend in need. Be sure to choose your words a little more carefully, as Mercury retrograde is mixing things up in the communication department. Let Pisces be your blissful goddess nature. Chant a spell or perform a symbolic ritual for this harvest season. Water can be far more soothing and nourishing now, in ways your senses will slowly start to name. Make full moon water tonight, or experiment with recipes such as water of Notre Dame or Florida water. Find a simple guided spell for the harvest moon below this video. Say, I am healed and whole. The universe celebrates with me. Leave your comment below, so mote it be.